Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 and let me share with you how to check for the system updates on this device. So basically this operation is very easy because your device will simply show you that you need the update. All you have to do is to enter the settings, and as you can see here we've got the about phone at the top of this list. Right here we've got this big button update, which simply means it is a first sign that we've got some updates available. Let's tap on the about phone, and again here we've got the update on the MIUI version with this red dot, so for sure you will not miss this this notification. So all we have to do is to simply tap on it, and as you can see your device will check for the updates, and then it will inform you whether you're up to date, and then you will not be able to do anything, or that there is update available. As you can see, you will be able to learn what is new. Just tap on it, and here you've got the information what has been updated. So it means that in my case it was the system security, and of course you can simply tap on download update and your device will download the newest software version and apply it. I don't want to do it right now. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check for the software updates in your POCO F5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.